This is probably going to be our most important product for the clients you have on their skin, because this is going to restore their skin. This is going to repair. This is going to quicken the results of, their treatments. And so, unlike a lot of masks, we call it a mask, but it can be like a moisturizer. This can give you, your client, that extra added luxury. So, a lot of people, they come in, you're doing a little bit of trauma to the skin, but they want something to feel like a spa, to feel luxury. And then they can purchase this size, which is a 3.4 fluid ounce, and take it home with them as well. Use it every night during their recovery process. They can wear it like a mask, 2 to 3 times a week on a regular basis. Because it does have stem cell conditioned media, so it has your growth factors. And the fibroblast comes from neonatal foreskin, and then mesenchymal stem cells come from adipose tissue. So this is going to really heal your, the control wounding that you did to their skin. It also has 3 different types of hyaluronic acid, so that they're able to penetrate the skin at different levels. Sodium hyaluronate, you see that in the copper mist as well. It's the smallest and molecular weight that's out there in the market. So some hyaluronic acid just sits on the skin. You're gonna see that with the pure hyaluronic acid. It sits on top of the skin so that you can have that slip when you're doing the procedure. But this one penetrates the skin so that you have that moisture as well. Snow mushroom reinforces the hyaluronic acid so that it's able to hold 1,000 times its weight in water, and then other calming ingredients as well.